to hide fan list from Facebook? It's very simple. What you have to do, only have to follow my steps. So for hiding your friend list from Facebook, you have to go simply in your Facebook. After come here Facebook, you have to click here three line. You can see here three line. After clicking here three line, you have to scroll down and then you will can see here a option called settings. You have to click here settings. After clicking here settings, you have to scroll down again and then you will can see here a option called how people find and contact you. You have to simply click on it. After that you will can see here a option called who can see your friend list. You have to simply click here and then you have to click here only me. And then after clicking here only me, now your friend list will, no one will can see your friend list. Thank you so much.